पालक, शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण अभ्यासत आहोत इंग्लिश बोर्ड मार्च 2024 सोडवलेली आदर्श उत्तरपत्रिकेचा पार्ट 1। पालक, शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो नमस्कार। केअर एज्युकेशनल ट्रिक्स या गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी उपयोगी पडणाऱ्या चॅनलवर आपल्या सर्वांचे मनपूर्वक स्वागत। विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी आपणास अगोदरचे सर्व व्हिडिओ अभ्यासायचे असतील तर केअर एज्युकेशनल ट्रिक्सच्या लोगोवर क्लिक करा। होम पेज शेजारी असलेल्या व्हिडिओ या ठिकाणी क्लिक करा। आपणास सर्व व्हिडिओचा अभ्यास करता येईल। विषयाप्रमाणे अभ्यास करायचा असेल तर प्लेलिस्टमधील व्हिडिओ अभ्यासा। सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना पैकीच्या पैकी मार्क मिळावेत ही सदिच्छा। 10वी परीक्षा देणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी व्हिडिओची लिंक शेअर करा। पालक, शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण अभ्यासत आहोत इंग्लिश थर्ड लँग्वेज रिवाइज कोर्स 7 मार्च 2024 ची प्रश्नपत्रिका। टाइम 3 hours, मॅक्झिमम मार्क्स 80। ॲक्टिव्हिटी शीट सेक्शन 1 लँग्वेज स्टडी 10 marks। Question 1A, do as directed, attempt any 4, 8 marks। 1. Complete the following words by using correct letters, 2 marks। 1, 2, 3, 4। English 7 March 2024 answer sheet। Question number 1 A1 1 LIGHT light, 2 FOCUS focus, 3 HABIT habit, 4 STICK stick। Question 2, put the following words in alphabetical order, 2 marks। 1 trees, birds, garden, rose, 2 truth, trouble, test, treatment। Question 3, punctuate the following sentences, 2 marks। 1 2 alphabetical order, 1 birds, garden, rose, trees, 2 test, treatment, trouble, truth। Question 3 1 she cried, comma, double inverted comma, are you crazy, question mark, double inverted comma, complete। 2 the teacher said, comma, double inverted comma, let's start today's section, full stop, double inverted comma, complete। Question 4, make 4 words minimum of 3 letters each using the letters in the word advertisement, 2 marks। Question 4 1 saint, 2 main, 3 time, 4 eat, 5 advice, 6 rest, Question 5. Write the related words as shown in the example. 2 marks. Student, clever. Student, clever. Humble, honest, creative, talkative. Question 6. Complete the word chain of verbs. Add 4 words, each beginning with the last letter of the previous word. 2 marks. Grow, grow, write, eat, take, earn. B. Do as directed. 2 marks. 1. Attempt any one. 1 mark. A. Make a meaningful sentence by using the phrase to be afraid of. Or B. Add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. This is a classroom. A. He is afraid of ghosts. Or B. This is a classroom where I studied. Question 2. Attempt any one. 1 mark. A. Add a prefix or suffix to make new words. 1. Manage. 2. Kind. Or B. Make a meaningful sentence using any one of the following words. 1. Manage. 2. Kind. 1. Management. 2. Unkind. B. 1. Ram manage his own finances. 2. Sita is very kind. Section 2. Textual passages. 20 marks. Question 2a. Read the following passage and do the activities. 10 marks. A1. Write whether the following sentences are true or false. 2 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Read passage carefully. Question number 2. A1. नवीन प्रश्न नवीन पानावर सोडवणे. 1. Sentence is a true. 2. Sentence is a true. 3. Sentence is a false. 4. Sentence is a false. Statement 1. The side of the food mandated him. He pretended to be falling asleep. Statement true. The sun was now ascending the sky. 4. Statement false. The mother ate a piece of fish that lay at her feet. She tore at a piece of fish that lay at her feet. Tore. Given statement false. A2. Complete the wave. Actions of family members: his father, his mother, his brothers and sister, he, his, 2 marks. Actions of family members: his father was preening the feathers on his white back. Actions of family members: his mother was standing on a little high hump on the plateau. His brothers and sister lying on the plateau, dozing with their heads. He, his, is standing on one leg. A3. Match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. 2 marks. A. 1. Scrap. 2. Dozing. 3. Plateau. 4. Wet. B. A slipping lightly. B. Sharpen. C. Rub. D. A large high area of flat land. 1. Scrap. Answer: rub. 2. Dozing. A. Slipping lightly. 3. Plateau. A large high area of flat land. 4. Wet. Sharpen. A4. Do as directed. 2 marks. 1. The sight of the food mandated him. Add a question tag. 2. Only his mother was looking at him. Rewrite the sentence in present perfect tense. The sight of the food mandated him, comma, didn't eat, question mark. 2. Only his mother has looked at him. A5. Personal response. 2 marks. Write any 4 good things that your parents taught you. A5. Good things that my parents taught me. 1. Actions speak louder than words. 2. Honesty is the best policy. 3. Health is a wealth. 4. Education is important. 5. Kindness is an important trait. 6. Be respectful. 7. Never give up. B. Read the following passage and do the activities. 10 marks. B1. Who said to whom? 2 marks. Sentence 1. 2. Who said to whom? Read passage carefully. Sentence 1. Is the world so poor that it cannot give me a toy and a book? Who said child labor to whom? Kailas Satyarthi. 2. What is my fault? Who said? Child soldier. To whom? Kailas Satyarthi. B2. Complete the wave. 2 marks. Holy places for prayers. Holy places for prayers. Temples, mosques, churches, prayer houses. B3. Write the describing words for the following from the passage. 2 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Describing words. 1 week. Holy Quran. Greater violence. Great religions. B4. Do as directed. 2 marks. 1. He asked me, what is my fault? Choose the correct indirect speech from the following. A, B, C, D. 2. He was forced to kill his friends and family. Rewrite the sentence and underline the infinitive. B4 1. Answer option D. He asked me what his fault was. 2. He was forced to kill his friends and family. B5. Personal response. 2 marks. What will you do if you find a poor and needy child? Explain. If I will find a poor and needy child, I would take several steps to help them. First, I would ensure their immediate needs are met by providing water, food, and clothing. Next, I understand the child's situation and see if there are ways to help them in the long term. Next, I will contact local services or child welfare organization to ensure the child receives proper care and support. I will try to help that poor child as much as possible with the help of my parents. पालक शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इंग्लिश बोर्ड मार्च 2024 सोडवलेली आदर्श उत्तरपत्रिकेचा पुढील भाग अभ्यासासाठी पार्ट 2 चा व्हिडिओ पहा. गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी आपण संपूर्ण व्हिडिओ पाहिल्याबद्दल आपले मनापासून धन्यवाद.